Now we're going to take a look at a single population mean using the normal distribution. So a confidence interval for a population mean with a known standard deviation is based on the fact that the sample means follow an approximately normal distribution. So when we want to calculate the confidence interval for a single unknown population mean, mu, where the population standard deviation is known, then we need the sample mean as an estimate for mu, and we need the margin of error. So here, the margin of error, abbreviated EBM, is called the error bound for a population mean. So error bound for a population mean is EBM. The confidence interval estimate then is the point estimate minus the EBM and the point estimate plus the EBM. So the margin of error depends on the confidence level, abbreviated CL. The confidence level is often considered the probability that the calculated confidence interval estimate will contain the true population parameter. However, it's more accurate to state that the confidence level is the percent of confidence intervals that contain the true population parameter when repeated samples are taken. So there is another probability called alpha, and alpha is related to the CL, the confidence level. Alpha is the probability that the interval does not contain the unknown population parameter. So mathematically, it's alpha plus confidence level equals 1. So let's look at an example. So in this example, it says, suppose we have collected data from a sample. We know the sample mean, but we do not know the mean for the entire population. The sample mean is 7, and the error bound for the mean is 2.5. So if you recall, to find the confidence estimate, we use the form, we use this, point estimate minus the error bound, EBM, and then point estimate plus the EBM. In this case, our sample mean is 7. Our error bound is 2.5. So the confidence interval is 7 minus 2.5, comma 7 plus 2.5. When we put that into the calculator, we get 4.5, comma 9.5. So what this tells us, if the confidence level is 95%, then we can say that we can estimate with a 95% confidence that the true value of the population mean is between 4.5 and 9.5.